Hi, this is the Raheja Delhi Mall which we are covering before you. This is the commercial space, the office, the retail space over here with big malls, software shop, and the big brands companies will be over here. We have got a theater over here, the multiplexes, cineplex, the mall, shopping complex, the lockable, unlockable area, all this in this Raheja Mall. You can see very clearly, very nice location. It is facing the construction going on in full flow, you can see, and it is been constructed by Arab Tech, that is the Dubai's #1 company, Arab Tech, the makers of this in Dubai with the Burj Khalifa and all, the most brilliant architect. You can see the commitment of the workers, the laborers, the contractors, everyone in place with the My One technology construction. You can see you can have a place over here. It is just adjacent to Delhi Metro, near the with the Sadipur and Moti Nagar line. You can see, just let you show, this is the Delhi pillar, metro pillar, and you can see the Delhi Metro line going. This is the blue line metro of the Delhi Metro, blue line. This is Delhi Metro blue line, and Moti Nagar will be in that side, and Sadipur will be in that side of the Delhi Metro. You can see, and this is Delhi Metro which connects Noida to Dwarka. Noida to Dwarka. Dwarka will be in that side, Dwarka, and this side you can have the Noida line, as well as Vaisali line as well. You can go to Vaisali, Ghaziabad also in this way. And you can see the view, the contractors, the laborers, all doing their part. This is the Leela Sky Villa, the residential complex, and this is the commercial one. Again, I am taking, this is the residential and this is the commercial. You can see the construction going on at the full stage with the basement, first ground, first, second floor, almost second and third floor construction is going on at the full place. That's the thing over here. And this is the DDA building over here. That is the outside the complex of this Raheja Sky. Many big investors, like many big companies of the Cineplex, multiplexes and shopping malls, and many food retails and food chains, hotel chains, they have already, the part of the group, they have already invested in this project, and they are actually in the commercial team. And you can also book in the lockable as well as unlockable part of the portion of the company. Unlockable do starts from means unlockable and lockable. So lockable will be a lockable office space, or something like a retail space, you can say, and unlockable is just a virtual space where you can have the something like ice cream cafe or something like a spa. Spa can be obviously in a lockable part. This is the main area, the entrance part, and you can see very nice location. थैंक यू। ये है लीला स्काई विला,
राइट सर।
पटेल नगर।
जी
दिस इज द रेसिडेंशियल।
राइट सर।
कितने स्टोरी की बनेगी
ये ग्राउंड प्लस 41 स्टोरी।
ग्राउंड प्लस 41, बेसमेंट।
और इसमें 4 लेवल ऑफ बेसमेंट्स हैं। -4 में न्यूक्लियर बंकर है।
ओके।
-3, -2, -1 हमारे पास कार पार्किंग है।
अब फिर से प्लीज रिपीट।
इसमें 4 लेवल ऑफ हमारे पास बेसमेंट्स आते हैं।
3 लेवल बेसमेंट है।
इसमें -3, -2, -1 हमारे पास कार पार्किंग है।
ओके, कार पार्किंग है। और ये 41
ये 41 स्टोरी बिल्डिंग है।
41 स्टोरी बिल्डिंग, ग्रेट। और इसकी अभी कौन सी फ्लोर चल रही है?
ये भी अबाउट टू रीच एट 3rd फ्लोर।
ये 3rd फ्लोर है।
अबाउट टू।
ओके, वंडरफुल। अब देख सकते हैं काफ़ी अच्छा कंस्ट्रक्शन। अरब इंफ्राटेक,
सॉरी सर,
अरब बना रहे हैं ना?
इसको अरब टेक बना रहे हैं।
अरब टेक बना रहे हैं।
दुबई मॉल,
बुर्ज खलीफा और दुबई जो बनाए हुए हैं। कंस्ट्रक्शन माईवन टेक्नोलॉजी से बनाया गया है। Okay. अब देख सकते हैं शानदार 41 स्टोरी की बिल्डिंग एंड 4 लेवल्स ऑफ कार पार्किंग।
आप वीडियो बना लो, मैं एक रिपोर्टिंग काम।
कितनी स्पेस है आप देख सकते हैं नीचे। एंड दिस इज द कॉमर्शियल पार्ट। कॉमर्शियल इस तरफ पड़ेगा। कितनी लेबर काम कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे, कॉन्ट्रैक्टर हैं, इंजीनियर्स हैं, यू कैन सी। दिस इज द लीला स्काई विला, पटेल नगर। दिस इज द रेसिडेंशियल अपार्टमेंट। Construction going on in full flow. 3 to 4 levels of car parking in the basement and 3rd या 4th floor तक इनकी construction हो रखी है। You can see very nice construction. Contractors, engineers, workers, laborers all engaged in doing all this construction work. क्रेन लगी हुई है, आप देख सकते हैं। वंडरफुल पीस ऑफ आर्किटेक्चर ओवर हियर। इट इज इन द हार्ट ऑफ पटेल नगर, जस्ट नियर टू दिल्ली मेट्रो लाइन। यू कैन सी ओवर हियर, दिस इज द दिल्ली मेट्रो। दिल्ली मेट्रो जा रही है यहाँ से आपके ऊपर से। You can see this is the metro pillar. The nearest station is Sadipur metro station over here. Over here is the Sadipur metro station, and over here is Moti Nagar metro station. I repeat, Sadipur metro station over here, and this is the metro, and Moti Nagar metro station is over here. Again we will look into the pictures. The construction going on. Very nice construction. My1 technology construction. Very engineers of Arab Tech, the makers of Burj Khalifa, Dubai. ओके फाइन। एंड द बेसमेंट आप देख सकते हैं। काफ़ी अच्छी काम चल रही है। क्रेन भी लगे हुए हैं यहाँ पे। एंड एवरीथिंग गोइंग राइट। एंड यू कैन सी the basements the work going on, the wall over here, and this is the DDA complex. DDA का यहाँ पे है, and it is just near to metro's line, and you can see the how good construction are there. क्या पिलर कितनी मजबूती से बन रहा है. ये अरब टेक जो कि दुबई की नंबर 1 कंपनी है, जो बुर्ज खलीफा वगैरह बनी हुई है, वो बना रहे हैं इस बिल्डिंग को, known as लीला स्काई विला. It is a 41-story building, 42-story building, where you can have 3, 4, 5 BHK apartments and penthouses. This is one of the luxurious projects in Delhi, and it is near to Delhi Metro. You can see Delhi Metro going on again above line. And the office is over here. Then Sadipur Metro is over here, and Moti Nagar will be right there. It's a nice big complex. Nice construction going on the metro pillars over here. There is a scheduled underpass